Hi, welcome back to this channel. Now, this is a step-by-step tutorial on how to copy your Facebook profile link. So if you want to do that, you follow the steps in this video. Do not forget to smash the like button, subscribe, and share if this tutorial is helpful to you. So now once you open your Facebook mobile application this way, you now proceed to the top, close to notification, where we have your profile icon. So now once you tap on your profile icon, you will now click on the drop down to now switch from your main account to the page you've already created. So now once you switch your account that way, you will now proceed and you now click on your profile icon. So now once you click on your profile icon, you will now click on these three dots at this point and you now scroll down. Now once you scroll down, you will now see the option copy link. Page your link, your page link rather. You now click on copy. So this is how to copy your Facebook page link. So if this is helpful, do not forget to smash the like button, subscribe, and share this video. Thank you.